Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a shortcut for any program on Windows and assign a keyboard shortcut to open it quickly. This method will help you save time and increase productivity. Now, let's assign a keyboard shortcut. Right-click on the program's shortcut and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, find the Shortcut Key field. Click inside the field and press any letter. Windows will automatically generate Ctrl plus Alt plus letter. For example, Ctrl plus Alt plus M. Click Apply, then OK. If a permission prompt appears, confirm it. Now, press Ctrl plus Alt plus your chosen letter, and the program should open instantly. You can repeat this process for any other program you want. This simple method makes launching your favorite programs much faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Windows tips. See you in the next video.